I'm going to begin with a bow, and I invite you to do the same. Welcome to Unit 2. I'm glad you're here, and wanted to just say a couple words here. We have a different flavor in Unit 2 compared to Unit 1. Unit 1 was a fairly light unit, just our introductions to each other, to the class. Unit 2, in Unit 2, we dig deep now into what transpersonal psychology is. So there are a couple readings on the history of transpersonal psychology, some on the issues, themes, current interests of transpersonal psychology. And one article that I think you'll find interesting, I did mention it back in the summer for those of you who were there. It's Francis Vaughn's article on the context, content, and process of transpersonal psychology. I find this a really useful way of organizing the material in any field, really, including transpersonal psychology. And I think we could see that this helps to sort out some of the conflicts and confusions about what transpersonal psychology is. That is, some people tend to focus transpersonal psychology and their definitions on the context, that is, the beliefs, the orientation, the container, so to speak, for transpersonal psychology. And others tend to focus more on either the content, the kinds of experiences that transpersonal psychologists are interested in, or the practices or process. So hopefully this will help to organize the field a little bit more in your own thinking. We'll get started this unit and follow some of these threads on through the full semester. I also want to be sure here to invite your observations about transpersonal psychology and also your questions about the field. So sharing your observations, sharing your questions in the threaded discussion will help this whole unit come much more alive. So I look forward to our discussions. And finally, just a reminder about integrating contemplative practice and mindfulness into your work with the course online this semester. So in Unit 1, I introduced the bow. You know the bow, most of you. And this unit, I want to add to that and introduce just breathing as a simple practice for cultivating mindfulness and present-centeredness. And invite you to breathe while you're online with the class. In fact, how about right now? Maybe we'll just take a breath. And use the breath, this very breath just now, to bring you more fully into the moment. So, look forward to seeing you online. Thanks for being here.